At the beginning of my hike, I just got dropped off at the Chiang Mai Animal Zoo. Free the guys. I don't even know where I'm going, bruv. Fuck, you know. Like, fuck it, I'm gonna walk on the road. It's like that, you know, 2 fares a pavement. I'm gonna walk up the road for a bit. Hopefully I can walk off. Yeah. Alright, fucking 10 minutes into my hike, I've been stopped like 5 times asking if I want a lift. Sometimes I actually want to say yeah, but I'm gonna say keep saying no. But yeah, this is what I'm walking on right now. Fucking sad of a road, man. It's not what I want. I actually want to turn back. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's a sick view over there, and I feel like I've done the hard bit. Yeah, that's pretty sick. In the jungle. We in the jungle, man. In the fucking jungle out here, mate. I forgot my cigarette, so I can't even burn a spliff. I'm a bit pissed. But besides that, I think I might have found a trail, hopefully back to Chiang Mai. Look what I just found. That's why I can't fly my drone, bro, because the fucking airport's right there. I told apparently you can walk back to Chiang Mai this way, but I doubt it very much. I don't see a path. Some people over there. Excuse me. Hello. Can you walk back to Chiang Mai down here? Huh? Yeah. Alright, cool. How unsafe this is, look at that. Right there's a drop.